Welcome to the TPC Desktop video series. In this video, we want to take a look at curved leaders, a feature that's new in TPC Desktop 2018. Now, I've opened up one of our sample surveys called Sample Parcel Map, and I've noticed that we've got a leader here. It's an angled leader, but it kind of creates this sweep over to this point here, and I want to replace that with a new curved leader. So let's drop into our drawing settings. And I'm going to quickly just match the same settings that were used for the other leaders. I want a dot line and solid arrowhead and a color of black. Okay, so this affects the color of the drawn leaders. Everything else looks the same. So now I should be able to add a new leader and have it use the same properties as the existing leaders. So my curved leader command is up here in the pull down draw menu. So here's the regular leader command. Right below it is the curved leader command. If I didn't want to use that, I could also go to the draw menu and say I want to draw a curved leader. And it draws just like the angled leaders. I click my start point, I come over and click about where I want it to end here, and then look what happens. As I drag the mouse, I either go curve to the left or an arc to the right, and I specify the amount I want just by where I drag it. When I get what I want, I'm just going to left click there. Okay, so I'm done with that curved leader command. I'm going to get rid of this old leader here. We don't need that now. So I can double click this or right click and go to properties and bring up the leader dialog. And here's the radius that we put in there because it's a survey space leader. The units for radius are in survey units of feet. And then of course here's all the other leader properties I would have for a regular angled leader. So just a real neat way for me to say, hey, sometimes I want to use an angled leader. Sometimes I want to use a curved leader like this, and Traverse PC gives you that now with a new curved leader command in TPC Desktop 2018.